In this question, we given that n of A is 70, n of B is 60, n of A union B is 110. We are asked to find n of A intersection B. It's a very straightforward formula based question. So what is the formula connecting all these quantities? So you have n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So now if you fill the numbers that you know, you can find the numbers that you don't know. So A union B is 110 is equal to n of A is 70, n of B is 60 minus n of A intersection B. This implies n of A intersection B is equal to 130 minus 110, which is equal to 20.